Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an ultrasonic pest repellent here, and show you guys what this is. Looks like we're gonna have a few of them in here. So this is what one looks like. So this is the device here. It's got a little plastic cover over it, over the screen. Okay, there, that is off. And this is it here. You can see it's got a little power button and a plug in. So here I have a battery pack that just has outlets in it. So if I was to plug it in, there it is. And it says it's lit up now. So there we have an off and an on. So there it is. So now it is on. You can see it's lit up. And so that is going to hopefully keep the bugs and things out of my property here. So it should keep ants, or bugs, roaches. Let's see. It says it's for mice, insects, bed bugs, fleas, bugs, rodents, roaches, mosquitoes, ants, spiders, rats, fruit flies, and other insects over there. So plug it into an outlet and it starts to work. It just repels the rodents from your home. So there you go. So you have to put it away from the floor and vertical to the floor. Basically plug it into an outlet. You don't really have much choice. So plug it into an outlet and you're good to go. So you get 4 of them in here. So I'm gonna go put these in each of the rooms and hopefully it will keep some bugs away. Nice, thumbs up.